says, when the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive.